Alright, let's go see what my mom's up to. Hey, Mom.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Making adult mac and cheese, kid.
Oh.
What are you doing?
Filming you.
Hey!
So people can see what this is.
See what is?
This adult mac and cheese.
Oh.
Tell them what it is.
It has ham and spinach and cherry tomatoes and mushrooms and onions all mixed in with mac and cheese. That's all.
Hey, Baxter.
And Baxter likes tomatoes. Watch this. A tomato. Sit. Easy. 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 Good boy.
Couldn't have done it any easier.
Nope. He's very gentle. Alright, that's enough tomatoes. Baxter, you want some more tomatoes? Good boy. Ready? Oh, you missed it. Get it, get it, get it. Ready? Go. Silly. One more. Sit. Easy. Good boy. Good, easy. Good, easy. Yes.
Goodbye.
Bye.